before we get started, there's somebody that I want you to meet. This is Julio. Julio is a shoemaker in Guatemala, where the average pay is only $10.80 per day. On this salary, Julio has had to make really tough decisions, like whether to buy school supplies for his daughter or put food on the table for his family. Unfortunately, Julio is hardly alone. Of the 70 million clothing makers, less than 2% earn a livable wage. Fashion also has a massive environmental footprint. Up to 20% of industrial water pollution comes from the textile industry. And that's just scratching the surface on fashion's environmental footprint. While sustainable brands exist, they're hard to find. People don't know of trusted go-to sources to find these brands, and we know this because they've literally told us. Enter Eco-Stylist.
Eco-Stylist is the curated Amazon for sustainable fashion, where looking good and shopping by your values are mutually inclusive and as easy as a few clicks. We offer a stylish marketplace for sustainably made clothes, a directory of sustainable brands, and for customers who want to level up their personal style, we offer virtual personal styling.
I'm Garrett Heimbaugh, and I'm the founder.
And I'm Nancy Sierras Morales, the impact manager. At Eco-Stylist, you dress like you give a damn. We've created a community of sustainable fashion brands to make it easy for our customers to purchase sustainable clothes. Simply put, a one-stop shop for sweatshop-free and sustainable clothing. We work with brands you can trust. We partner with Remake, a non-profit organization working to put an end to fast fashion. We condensed their sustainability criteria to 3 impact areas: transparency, fair labor, and sustainably made. And we even created a rating system to entice our partner brands to improve upon their sustainability practices.
I dress like I give a damn because I want to communicate my values and my style through my clothes.
I'd prefer quality over quantity.
I dress like I give a damn because I believe in living sustainably through clothes.
I dress like I give a damn because it's a simple and accessible way to make positive change in the world.